Hello students and welcome to the quick recap series for ICSE Class 9 and 10 History and Civics examination. This is chapter 5 of Civics, the State Judiciary, that is the High Court. So let's study some facts about High Courts. The High Court is the highest court of the state. Just let me change the pen. Okay. It is the highest court of the state and stands at the apex of the state judicial administration. There are 25 high courts in India. Now, among union territories, Delhi has its own high court. Goa, Daman and Diu have a judicial commissioner, while other duties have come under jurisdiction of different high courts. Let's talk about the judges of the high court. What's the composition of High Court? Each High Court consists of a Chief Justice and other judges as the President of India may appoint from time to time. What are the qualifications of these judges? He should be a citizen of India, should not be over 62 years of age, should have held a judicial office in the territory of India for at least 10 years, has been an advocate of High Court for 10 years and should have been a distinguished jurist. Very important, students. Now, about the appointment of these judges, the Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by the President of India in consultation with whom? In consultation with Chief Justice of India and the government of the concerned state. Now, other judges are appointed by the President in consultation with CJI again, the government of the state and the Chief Justice of High Court. The President can appoint additional judges for a temporary period not exceeding 2 years. Now, retirement. He or she can remain in office till he or she has attained the age of 62 years. About the resignation. He/she can resign from his or her post by sending his or her resignation letter to the President. Removal. He or she can be removed by the President. Can be removed by the President on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity through impeachment. Salaries and emoluments. The Chief Justice and other judges of High Court are paid a monthly salary as decided by the Parliament. Now, these are the different jurisdiction of High Court: original, appellate, advisory and revisory. So that was all about this. Please do not forget to subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive notification for the next chapter, and keep on revising for your history and civics examination with Zenith Academy Online. Bye bye my dear students, and all the very best for your exams.